In this episode of Penny's Thoughts, episode 7, we're talking about the Air Jordan 1 collaboration with Gore-Tex. But before we get into the shoe, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we drop new content to the channel. And be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. Alright, this shoe is slated to drop November 23rd for a price point of $200. The reason why it's slightly higher than the regular Retro 1 is because they have Gore-Tex pretty much insulated all around the shoe. The shoe has a 3M swoosh and different shades of gray all over the shoe, and Gore-Tex insulated inside of the materials on the outside of the shoe, man. For me, I think the shoe is clean, man. I think, you know, anything Gore-Tex is going to be really warm. It's going to keep you warm. It's going to keep your feet warm. So if you don't really like boots and you're a sneaker guy, man, this is a shoe that you should try to go for, because these aren't going to be that heavy, and you can wear them in the winter time when it's really cold, when it's snowing, things like that, man. So I like what Jordan Brand did here to put a different touch on the Retro 1, and, you know, give people opportunity that live in like cold states like New York, Chicago, and things like that. You know what I'm saying? You can also look stylish in your Retro 1, man. So I think these are cool. You know, the price point is a little high, but I like them, man. If you guys disagree with me and don't like them, or if you do like them, man, leave in the comments below. We could talk about it. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.